Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the devices so the disable steps go smoothly. Make sure the AirPods Pro have at least 10% battery and are in their case with the lid open. This prevents interruptions. Once done, unlock your iPhone or iPad and confirm Bluetooth is enabled. Now, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Locate your AirPods in the device list and tap the small info icon, because that is the entry point for disconnection and reset actions you'll perform next. Next, you disconnect and remove the pairing so the AirPods stop interacting with your account. Tap Disconnect to immediately halt audio and active connections. This step is quick and reversible. Then, tap Forget this device to remove the pairing and any saved settings from your iPhone and iCloud. This is why you disconnect first, to avoid residual streams. Confirm the prompts. Make sure to wait until the status changes in Bluetooth to show the AirPods as removed before proceeding to a physical reset if needed. For a full disable, perform a factory reset on the AirPods Pro by placing them in the case, closing the lid for 30 seconds, then opening and holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. That erases settings and unlinks iCloud, useful if you're transferring ownership. Once done, you can repair or keep them in the closed case to remain disabled. If the reset fails, update your iPhone's iOS, try again, and test pairing with a different device to isolate problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.